I think this is a bit more than just a blown head gasket. Check out the coolant hitting the damn roof. This car's trying to start its own sprinkler system.
Alright, I put the cap on and I took these plugs out. I got this blocked up so I don't spray all over my motor. Y'all ready for this? Bet this shit's gonna go flying. Oh, bomba club!
Nothing beats a Jet2 holiday. And right now, you can save £50.
If your car fucked up, don't panic, don't trip. With these hands, baby, I can do magic, bitch. I can fix any car on the planet. All of them in my line right.
Ano? Puta madre. La 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 la. Na 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 na.
Who needs a man when you've got independence and a bottle of washer fluid, right? Fast forward to the mechanic saying, yeah, my car has a drinking problem. Have you ever tried a DIY car repair that went hilariously wrong?
Yeah. Where do I put it? On the ground. Who needs a man? Not me, baby. Not me.
Let's see.
Oh my God.
There's no oil. Now oil is coming, you see?
Yeah.
I don't know. Yes, sir, I'm reporting it. And I do have a witness in here. Somebody put windshield washer or something?
Something like that.
So the car was getting fucked up?
No, I don't know. She just brought it. Oh, Jose.
Yo.
She said her washer fluid is not working. She told me that too.
Okay.
Boss came in like, hey man, I need to get a flat repair done. I already done put the spare on there. Can you take care of me? Yeah, boss, no problem. They might have a little problem. Like, why would I have a problem? He said, well, I left the wheel hub and rotor on there, but I mean, besides that, it should be pretty easy flat repair, right?
So the customer states there's a slight vibration. Do you think that's repairable?
La 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 la. Na 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 na.
Alright, this rust belt shit's getting ridiculous. I mean, look at this tire. Look at these brakes. I mean, that's just ridiculous. That's just crazy.
When your car breaks down, but your mechanic somehow breaks it even more, the struggle is real. Here's to those moments where nothing goes according to plan.
Customer states, got a noise in the back. Sides looking pretty good. Nothing too crazy over here. All right. Let's see. Spins good. Everything's looking pretty good. Holy fuck.
Oh, peep this fucking guy.
Sir, we found the reason why your car won't start. They chewed your power wire to your fuel pump. Oh, these guys? Ah, don't worry about them. They're actually here to help.
Look at that, baby.
Oh, baby.
They have such good fur color.
They do.
Alrighty, here it is. Oh. Just gotta... There we go, yeah.
And this, ladies and gentlemen, is why you do your oil change. Don't be like this person.
Ready? Okay, ready. 24,000 mile oil change, eh? Oh, that's not nice. Service. Oh, bro. I told you it was going to be nothing coming out. Oh, shit. It's like full blood.
Hey, Craig. Also, I can take 4 points of oil.
Look at your feet.
Go on, dude.
Oh my god! Huh? Oh my god! I told you not to do that. Yeah, good one.
La 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 la. Na 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 na.
Good. Good. Good.
So that's where that went. This is one of them pop-up pistons. This is just gonna... Oh my lord. Good. Nailed it.
Sí, es una pena terrible. A Oliver le cayó un meteorito mientras caminaba en la calle. Y a Retsu se lo tragó una grieta que se abrió por un terremoto. ¡Ayuda! Hay personas que tienen mala suerte.
$29,000 miles. So I'm not mad at having super wheels on a Camry. It's actually cool. What the dude! Well, this is a bigger problem. Oh my god. I can't even. John! Oh my god. He let us know, I guess. It seems to be stripped or snapped. I don't think that's stripped.
I like the wheels though.
The customer shouldn't be driving this. Should have towed it.
That's probably the worst I've seen so far.
He got Supra wheels though.
Does he?